Wait, don't scroll! If you have just 4 potatoes, some mayo, and an air fryer, this delicious breakfast recipe is for you. Welcome back to African Village Flavors. If you're new here, hit like and subscribe. It truly helps us keep sharing simple, delicious recipes. Now let's make this easy air fryer potato recipe. We'll start by slicing a small piece off one side of the potato to create a flat base. Next, carefully push a skewer through from one end to the other. Take your time here and be gentle. Now, slice the potato into thin pieces, just like I'm doing. Nothing fancy here, just simple, easy cooking. Now look at that, quite artistic. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Before we go on, if you enjoy cooking like this, slow, simple, and from the heart, tap like and subscribe button. Your support truly keeps this channel growing. Now it's time to make our marinade. We'll use olive oil or any vegetable oil available, then add garlic, oregano, paprika, a splash of soy sauce, and salt. And if you enjoy a bit of spice, add some red chilli to bring it to life. Next, we'll marinate our potatoes. Make sure to coat each one well and don't forget to brush it in between the slices. This helps all the flavors soak right through. Don't be shy here. Use enough marinade so every bite is full of flavor once cooked. Now look at that, just look at this beautifully marinated potato. Next, gently place the potatoes into the air fryer and spread them out so they cook evenly. Next, set the air fryer to 200 degrees and cook for 25 minutes. That's enough time for the potatoes to turn crispy on the outside while staying soft and fluffy on the inside. Once the timer runs out, it's time to open the air fryer and take a peek inside. Look at those potatoes, golden, crispy, and absolutely delicious. What do you think? It's such an easy recipe, perfect for any time of the day and for the whole family to enjoy. But we're not done yet. Every good potato needs a dip. You can go with butter and meat broth dip, a classic tomato sauce dip, or you can try my favorite, this creamy eggless mayo dip. My family loves this the most. Now comes the best part of cooking. Drum roll, please. Tasting time. Let me cut a slice and give this mouth-watering recipe a try. If this recipe warmed your heart even a little, hit that like, share, and subscribe button. It means so much for the growth of our village kitchen. You really have to try this. So yummy and delicious. Thank you for cooking with us today, and we'll see you in the next recipe. Check more delicious recipes above.